Is the legendary F-22 Raptor about to be dethroned? For years, the F-22 has dominated the skies with its unmatched speed, stealth, and agility. But now, Israel has unleashed a fighter jet that military experts believe could crush the Raptor in direct combat, the F-35I Adir. This Israeli-modified jet has been enhanced with top-secret technology that gives it an edge even over the world's most advanced fighters. But how can the F-35I, built from the same platform as the American F-35, be such a game-changer? Get ready to find out. The F-35I Adir isn't just any fighter jet. It's been fine-tuned by Israel's defense experts with upgrades that the rest of the world can only dream about. With enhanced stealth capabilities, advanced electronic warfare systems, and the ability to link up with drones and satellites, this jet is redefining what air superiority means. But here's the kicker: many believe these upgrades could make the F-35I deadlier than the F-22 in a dogfight. Stay with us as we break down the features that give this Israeli fighter the potential to outclass the Raptor. Imagine a fighter jet so advanced it can track and neutralize threats before they even know they're being targeted. That's the F-35I Adir. While the F-22 Raptor relies heavily on its stealth and speed to win battles, the F-35I's ability to dominate the electronic warfare space gives it a unique advantage. It can jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and launch deadly strikes, all while remaining nearly invisible. Could this be the future of air combat? We're about to show you how the F-35I is poised to challenge the undisputed champion of the skies, the F-22 Raptor. In the world of air superiority, there's one jet that reigns supreme: the F-22 Raptor. Known as the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world, it has dominated the skies for years. But what if we told you there's an Israeli fighter jet that could crush the Raptor in a head-to-head battle? Unbelievable. Stay with us as we dive deep into this jaw-dropping revelation and explore the technology, tactics, and reasons why this Israeli jet might be the most dangerous thing the F-22 has ever faced. The F-22 Raptor. Known worldwide as the King of the Skies, this fifth-generation stealth fighter has set the standard for air superiority. With its unmatched stealth capabilities, incredible speed, and advanced avionics, the Raptor was designed to dominate any adversary. The Raptor is not just fast, it's practically invisible to enemy radar. Its stealth design makes it nearly impossible to detect, while its combination of agility and firepower allows it to engage enemies before they know it's there. In short, the F-22 has long been the aircraft that every other nation has been chasing. But now there's a new challenger. Enter Israel's secret weapon, the F-35I Adir, a heavily modified version of the American F-35 stealth fighter tailored specifically for the Israeli Air Force. Unlike anything we've seen before, this jet has undergone dramatic upgrades, making it far more lethal than its predecessors and, according to some experts, even capable of outmaneuvering the mighty F-22 Raptor. The F-35I Adir is no ordinary fighter jet. While it's based on the American F-35, Israel has significantly improved its stealth, avionics, and electronic warfare systems. It's designed for precision strikes, with an emphasis on electronic dominance and long-range engagements. But that's not all. Its true power lies in its advanced Israeli-made systems. So, what makes the F-35I such a formidable opponent? It's all about the tech. First, the aircraft's electronic warfare capabilities. Israel has integrated its advanced systems into the F-35I, giving it unparalleled ability to jam enemy radar and communications. In a world where electronic dominance is key, the F-35I can blind its enemies, rendering its sensors useless. Another key factor is its advanced avionics. The F-35I's custom-built software allows for faster decision-making and enhanced situational awareness. While the F-22 excels in stealth, the F-35I's ability to process and share information in real time gives it a major edge in complex, high-stakes combat scenarios. Now, imagine this: the F-35I Adir and the F-22 Raptor meet in combat. In a world where stealth and agility rule the skies, how would these two titans fare against each other? On paper, the F-22 may seem like the superior jet. It's faster, and its stealth is legendary. But in the heat of battle, speed and stealth are only part of the equation. One of the key advantages of the Israeli F-35I Adir lies in its unique software and hardware modifications tailor-made to meet Israel's specific defense needs. Unlike the standard F-35, the Adir has an open architecture system that allows Israel to install its own advanced avionics, sensors, and weapons systems. This gives the F-35I the ability to adapt to new threats faster than any other fighter jet in the world. These modifications include Israeli-made air-to-air missiles and long-range precision-guided munitions, which many argue give the F-35I the firepower to overwhelm even the F-22 Raptor in a head-to-head confrontation. Another often overlooked advantage is the F-35I's superior networking capabilities. While the F-22 Raptor was designed as a solo hunter, the F-35I operates as a networked warrior, sharing real-time data with other jets, ground forces, and even unmanned drones. This creates a battlefield ecosystem where the Adir can see and strike targets far beyond its visual range. Military experts say that this combat cloud capability could be the defining factor in modern air battles, giving the F-35I a strategic edge over the F-22. It's no longer just about stealth or speed, it's about who controls the information. And the F-35I Adir might just be the new master of the skies. In a confrontation, the F-35I's electronic warfare systems could neutralize the F-22's stealth advantage, allowing the Adir to engage from a position of strength. Imagine the shock on the F-22 pilot's face when their radar is suddenly useless and a missile is already locking on, but there's more. The F-35I's helmet-mounted display allows pilots to lock onto targets just by looking at them. Combine that with its long-range missile systems, and you have a jet that can engage and destroy enemies before they even realize they're under attack. While much of the F-35I's tech remains classified, we know that Israel has secretly developed upgrades that make this jet far deadlier than its American counterpart. Sources suggest that the Adir has enhanced data-sharing capabilities, allowing it to link with drones, satellites, and ground forces in real time. In this new era of networked warfare, information is power. The F-35I is not just a fighter jet, it's a flying command center. By linking with other assets on the battlefield, it can orchestrate attacks with a precision that no other aircraft can match. This means that in a battle against the F-22, the F-35I wouldn't be fighting alone, it would have an army of drones and missiles at its disposal. The F-35I Adir has already proven itself in real combat scenarios. It's one of the few fifth-generation fighters to have seen action, flying numerous missions over hostile territory. Whether conducting precision airstrikes or engaging in dogfights, the F-35I has demonstrated its ability to dominate the battlefield. Israeli pilots have praised the Adir for its versatility, agility, and ability to adapt to rapidly changing situations. One pilot described it as an all-seeing eye in the sky, a fighter that can detect threats long before they become a problem. As tensions rise in the Middle East and around the world, the F-35I Adir is poised to play a key role in future conflicts. With its unique combination of stealth, electronic warfare, and data-sharing capabilities, it could be the jet that shifts the balance of power in Israel's favor. From defending Israel's borders to striking deep into enemy territory, the F-35I is more than just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of technological dominance. And while the F-22 may still be the king of stealth, the F-35I's adaptability and advanced systems make it a contender that cannot be underestimated. So, can the Israeli F-35I crush the F-22 Raptor? While the Raptor still holds its place as a legendary fighter, the F-35I has proven that it's a force to be reckoned with. With its advanced Israeli upgrades, superior electronic warfare capabilities, and real-world combat experience, the Adir might just be the aircraft that changes the future of aerial warfare. What do you think? could this next-generation fighter challenge the king of the skies? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's most advanced military technology.